Okay. Now, for this question again, we are going to use the same rules. Okay, let's read the question and then we'll talk about it. Okay. And Rafe, here's the paper details. Okay.
Okay, miss, I took the screenshot.
It's 9709/11/October/November/19.
Okay.
Okay. So the question says the diagram show the sector OAC. Okay, we can see a sector OAC of a circle with center O. Now they did not make the entire circle. This is what I was talking about. They have only told that whatever the circle is, the center was at O, and then the sector is there only. Tangents AB and CB to the circle meet at B. Okay, now if you think about O level maths, you guys can recall this is something that we have already discussed in O levels. This used to be one of the properties. Anyways, I'll get back to it. The arc AC is of length 6 centimeters. Okay, it's there as well. And the angle AOC is 3 pi by 8 radians. Find the length of OA correct to 4 significant figures. Okay, that's very simple. Can you guys give it a try? We have just done something similar.
Okay, miss.
Yes, take a minute or so and then I'll do it. Okay. Yes. Anyone who has done this?
Mm. Okay. Mm.
Okay, let me quickly do this just so you guys can come.
1.909.
Sorry,
Um,
say it again.
what I did is I said 6 is equal to 3 over 8 per 3 pi over 8 times radius for me to find in R.
Very good.
Then 18 over 3 over pi. And I find 1.90985.
Okay. 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 Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Very good. Your method was correct, but then let's see what happened. Okay.
Okay.
Um, We know that the length of OA is basically the radius of the circle. That is very right, very good. So arc length
Mm.
is basically equal to what? This time around, the angle is in radians, so it is equal to r theta. Arc length
Yeah.
is 6, radius is unknown, and it is 3 pi by 8. So this would become 6 multiplied by 8 divided by 3 pi
Oh,
equals the
48.
radius. Yes, and now just plug in the values in your calculator. So 6 multiplied by 8 divided by 3 pi.
5.0929.
Yes, that's
I
correct.
don't
Very
know. I don't know where I got 18 from.
Yeah, it was okay. I think you multiplied, you did something different. Okay, anyways, it is
Mm.
5.093 because it says give your answer correct to 4 significant figures. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, so this is going to be the answer. Yes, Rafe, is it okay?
Yes, miss.
Okay, very good. Okay, the next part is basically for 2 marks. Yeah, it says find the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, now you have been asked to find the perimeter of the shaded region. This time around, your sector is not shaded, something else is shaded. Here is the details of the shaded region. So we already have 6. We need to find out this side, and once we find out this side, just know that both these sides are equal. Why am I saying this? Because this used to be a property if you think about it, in the O level math. So we used to say that if we make a line right here in the center,
Will we use tan?
one second.
Hello?
Yes. Sorry, I was not able to understand what you said. Yes, we will use tan. I think this is what you said, right?
Yes, miss.
Very good. So this angle right here is going to be, can anyone tell me? It would be half of what we have.
Half of 3.8
So
theta.
we can write it as 3 pi by 16, right? It was
Mm-hmm.
3 pi by 8, so I'll half it, and this would give me 3 pi by 16 radians. Okay, and I got the radius as well. The radius was 5.093. So we can use tan to find out the side AP. Okay, please quickly do your workings and tell me what exactly you're getting for AB. Tan theta is perpendicular over base. So tan 3. Please make sure that your calculators are in degree mode, are in radians mode. Perpendicular is
Miss, how do we
unknown.
do that?
Sorry, say it again.
Miss, how do we make it radian mode?
I'll tell you. So just press shift.
Yes.
Like it depends upon your calculator mode, honestly. Shift and then mode. Okay. Now can you see 3 for
Yes.
degree and
4.
4 for radian?
Yes, miss.
Okay, just press 4 and now you'll see an R on the display, a small r. It was a small d initially and now it would be small r.
Yes, miss.
Okay, now just do your working.
- 3.4.
Yes, very well done. Excellent. It is 3.4. This is 3.4 and this is also 3.4. These two used to be same. And for the perimeter, we'll do 3.4, whatever we're getting this, plus that thing again, plus 6 centimeters. Okay, so the perimeter of shaded area is going to be BA plus CB, whatever you want to call, plus the arc length. That was basically AC. So I'll write it as 3.4 plus 3.4 plus 6, and you can just simplify this, and this would give you 12.8 approximately. 12.8 is going to be the answer. So the answer to the second part was 12.8. Okay, so in this chapter, we will be talking about a lot of previous trigonometry rules and stuff like that that you guys have already studied. Okay, I will obviously give reference to the old stuff, but if you guys think that you are not able to understand that way thing easily, to just ask me again, and I will then explain that to you. Okay, anything that you would like to ask?
Miss, like normally the calculator is in degrees, right? So I
Yes.
should make it degrees again.
Yes, definitely. Please keep this thing in mind that your calculator should be. One of my students, she was like very confident about her mock exam. Luckily, it was mock, but she did not get as many marks as she was expecting. Her marks were still good, but still, she was, she was not expecting that. And that happened because of her calculator settings. So, this is very, very, something very, very horrible that no one can imagine. But if this happens, it's not your fault. And still, obviously, you would not lose every mark, but the answer mark, like for answer, it's just 1 mark, and you can see the questions are for 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks, and the 5 mark questions themselves are so difficult. So this is what happened with her. Anyways, then I will send you some practice questions now for this. Okay, and then we'll talk about some more questions from the same unit tomorrow. We'll first talk about area, and then we'll talk about more questions, because these questions are basically, they have a combination of all what you study in that very chapter. So it's very difficult to pick up some specific questions, right? So I was luckily able to find these, but still, first we'll talk about the area of the sector, and then we'll talk about the other stuff. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
All right, so take care, all of you. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Allah
Thank
Hafiz.